everybody. It's Anna, Lovely with Lard, here at Sobremesa Farm Kitchen. It has been forever since I shot a video. We have had holidays with crazy schedules, we have had basketball games, we have had COVID hit our house, and finally we're back to kind of normal. So I'm so excited today to bring to you a super simple, quick, easy breakfast, or actually dessert that you wanted it to, that my mom used to make when we were growing up. Super quick, very little ingredients that you need. Most of the time you have them on hand. This is a quick, easy cherry coffee cake. And here are the ingredients that you need to get for this amazing breakfast. So I got my mise en place, I got everything that I need. This recipe comes together so quick. I did turn my oven on. We want to preheat it to 350 degrees. So make sure you do that right away because this comes together so quickly. Another thing that I want to point out is I actually am using some of my own home canned cherries. I know most of you do not have this. So just a good quality cherry pie filling that you can find in your baking section at the grocery store would be perfect. And also the lard that we are using, the 1 cup of lard that we are using, if you don't have lard, that's okay. You can also use vegetable oil. So just remember that, and when you're like, oh, I don't have that, it's okay. You can substitute for the other things. So let's go ahead, let's get started and stir this up super quick because my kids are hungry. Let's get a non-greased 9x13 pan. We're going to put half of the batter in the bottom of this pan, and we'll spread it around with our spatula really quick. Once you get it to all corners, we'll go ahead and dollop our cherry all pie filling everywhere. Little dollops all over, kind of spread it out evenly. And then once we get done with this, we'll top it with the rest of our batter and sprinkle it with cinnamon sugar, and we'll be ready for the oven. All right, now that we have it all mixed, put it into our 9x13 pan. We're going to throw it into the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. So all in all, it legitimately probably will only take about 40 minutes from start to finish to get this coffee cake made. So easy, simple breakfast to do in the mornings, on the weekends, or if you have guests that come and visit, great breakfast item, or it's a great afternoon snack, dessert, whatever you choose to do. So let's go ahead, get it in the oven back here, and in 30 minutes, we'll check back. All right, so the timer went off at 30 minutes. I checked my coffee cake and it still wasn't quite done. So I went ahead and put it back in for another 10 minutes. So you need to really check to make sure that it is done in the middle. And you can do that by sticking a knife in it, down in the center, pulling it out, and it needs to come out clean and not goopy. All right, so let's go ahead, let's pull this out. It's been in there for 40 minutes. I don't know if you can see that or not, but oh my gosh, does it smell good. So this is our coffee cake. Super simple and super easy. Let's go ahead and cut ourselves a piece. Now you don't have to use cherry pie filling. If cherry pie filling is not your thing, then let me tell you, use apple pie filling. You could use peach pie filling. You could use blueberry pie filling, whatever floats your boat. Now I will tell you, if you choose to use one of those, then be careful on I would substitute the almond flavoring with vanilla. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna cut myself a piece here, a nice corner piece, because I like the crusties. Oh, it looks so good. I wish you guys could smell this. But honestly, this used to be one of my favorite things that my mom would make us on a Saturday morning. Because it's like you're eating dessert. See if I can get this thing out. First one's always a little bit trickier to get out. There it goes. Oh, that's gorgeous. I don't know if you can see this. Look, that, my friends, is an amazing breakfast. Oh my goodness, I don't have a fork to eat my dessert or my breakfast. Hold on, let's try this. Here I am, here we go. It's gonna be hot as snot though, so I gotta be careful. Oh yeah, that is so good. So good. So, from our kitchen, well actually first it came from my mom's kitchen, from our kitchen to your kitchen, happy cooking and may God bless you and have a wonderful day.